Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is the third part. I just thought I'd add this in. I think he's going to inlay this into wood, one wood into another wood. Now, if you cut this out and then take it out and paint it different colors, then it'll fit back right in the spot tightly, because the fact that the paint that gets on the side will take up the difference in the kerf. But let's say you were going to take this and take a piece of, let's say, walnut, put in the back of the page. It doesn't really show up. I guess what I should do is color fill that with this brown. And that's the way it would look if the letters were different painted, and you could even paint the family and friends a different color. But if you're going to cut this out of 2 different species of wood, or possibly even 3 different species of wood, having the welcome, let's say you did the plaque out of walnut, and then you did the welcome out of maple, and you did the friends and family out of a reddish wood or something else, it's going to work. But you're going to have a little bit of a gap, and I've got several videos on this, but I thought I'd just add this in. So what I would do is make 2 copies of this, Control D, and make a copy and delete it or put it down. Now take it off the laser bed and get your plaque and put it in the center of the page, and then put this in the center of the page, and then put this to the top left corner of your laser and cut that out of your wood. Okay, so that's 1 species of wood. Now let's get this out of the way and let's bring this back. We need to make these letters that you're going to cut out of the other species 3/1000 of an inch wider, so it'll fit in that kerf better. So we're going to try, because it worked a while ago, we're going to try to contour this 3/1000, 0.003. And we're going to do it in black so we can see it. And it worked. Now we're going to go up to arrange, break contour apart, and now click on the inside of the letter and move it down. And we really want the black, and if you look right up here, the black is 2.759. The red is 2.753. So the black is what we want, because it's just a hair bigger. So we'll just take that out of the screen. We're going to left click on this and make it a red hairline. So now if you cut this out of maple, it's going to fit in that walnut piece a little bit tighter. When you glue it down, you'll have less of a kerf mark. You won't have any kerf. Now, if you wanted to cut these out of different woods, that would be possibly another video, and you need to break these apart. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.